Welcome to today's episode of the Imran.Family Kitchen. Today, what we are going to show you is how to make red lentil pakora. So let's move on to the recipe now. Okay, you saw how to make this wonderful red lentil pakora. They are so delicious and they're really crispy as well. So with that said, you can view our dal bhajia recipe over here, our aubergine pakora recipe over here, and more sides and starter ideas will be shown in this playlist over here. With that said, catch you in the next one.